at the edge of the night. Every star fades, but your image follows me. Oh my love, I live only for you. I walk alone through the fragile night. Every face disappears. Only your image remains. My hurried steps search for your shadow. Oh my love, I run to you. Every step becomes a whisper to you. Every breath pronounce your name. Your absence burns like a flame in me. Oh my love, I call you again. 1,000 kilometers to see you. Across the night I traverse hope. I miss you, every breath reminds me. Oh my love, I live for this. 1,000 kilometers to come and take you. I break the walls, I cross the waves. Your gaze enlightens my lost steps. I will walk 1,000 nights for you. Becomes a whisper to you. Every breath pronounce your name. Your absence burns like a flame in me. Oh my love, I call you again. 1,000 kilometers to see you. Across the night I traverse hope. I miss you, every breath reminds me. Oh my love, I live for this. 1,000 kilometers to come and take you. Break the walls, I cross the waves. Your gaze lights my lost steps. I will walk 1,000 nights for you. Thank you so much. I am eternal rose. My voice still burns in the night. I remain among the stars. I miss you.